Hello everyone, Collect Everything here, and I just got back from my local coin shop, and I picked up a 1917, he said XF to AU, Standing Liberty Quarter for $90. Now, this does not have the luster, but it has phenomenal detail. Let me get that to focus. Look at all the edge details, even the toes you could see perfectly fine. Shout out to Coin Collecting Hobby, because this is his favorite coin, he says in a couple of his videos, and I don't blame him. I mean, this coin is spectacular. It is so nice. All the details in this coin for a 1917. They minted this coin in 1916, so this is second year, and I mean, it's just amazing. It says, "Liberty, in God we trust." United States of America, with the eagle on the back, but look at the detail on that eagle's wings. There's a little bit of something right there, but the detail of the feathers and the stars going around. I mean, this is just, if it had luster and were shiny, this thing would be like brand new. I mean, this is just a beautiful coin with Lady Liberty standing there. This is a piece of American history, and this is a brilliant coin, like I've said before. So I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys just look at this coin. Tell me what you think. Was this worth $90? Do you think that this is a cool coin? What is your favorite coin? And please remember to subscribe. Now just take the time to look at the coin. Oh yeah, and in case you haven't figured out, this coin is silver. So, goodbye.